One money, man, you know. Why, baby, you love me, aunty? I frequent me, aunty, so.
Nothing really.
Like, you know, I left, eh? I'm leaving, I get away with my money, is it? So you have plans to do an idea?
Well, I'm gonna hang out with a few of my friends.
Friends? Money, I don't know you have no friend, no. Money, mine, you have money, no?
No, nothing like that.
Remember, man, all gangster in the money. Think they me son, you know? You know? That may I tell you. Enjoy my nice to see me. I want you left.
But how are they? How money do? Let go the mad girl? After she make me waste my time and kidnap the girl, we should do really let go the girl? No man, me have to go get her a call.
Phone ring.
Hello?
Monique, I really let go the bumbuckler mad girl. After you make me call the girl and kidnap the girl for you.
Girl, I had to let her go.
No man, let me know what you really depend. Come on, like people waste my time, you know.
I'm gonna come and see you in a minute.
Bumbuckler.
How old is you talking?
A friend of mine.
Which girl you have to let go? Mine, you know? Oh, you have a business around or something? You fire somebody?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, mine in the money, make sure you have pay the game, so.
No.
I call that soon. So, yeah, go on the road then. We'll go with a show and then. Must be mad. The second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, something for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in, not even think for rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss a step. Me never box from a fighter, they can bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket neck. I go for my one, coming up down for poor. Just arrive on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I said make it out of this, them shouldn't lock your door. And the whole place I shape, I drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not hard money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the harder the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Now a champagne a bust like a coaster. Roughest life man grow like a soldier. I'm out of pressure when them put on my shoulder. Man never know real supporter. Bad luck, what's a down obia. Real governor in a pen, ask Donia. Set man I set it, me no joker. Member people a fraud, call mocha. Like a ball, me control me emotion. Mind for my money run a program. No, in my face too much door slam, make it out. Them prison trap could no hold man. I used to one pair of shoes. Then I we used to share one plate of food. That's why when I feel win me can't lose. That's why man have to win me get now. First place, we are come for the prize, we no share.
Bash. Yeah, what going babe? What? But Indian say I'm gonna kill me. I wonder if a boy know him a ramp with. I breeze about him I talk about, you know. Alright, don't say a word, me I fix him.
Yo, Tyson. What go on the great icon? There, big up the father, man.
We give so much warning and warning on top of warning, you know. No, the thing I get out of hand. I walk one. You know, take it.
I can't cool no man. Listen to your father man. Watch you go on the brother. I don't mean I get in trouble, you know. See me? People are getting in trouble.
But your reaction make it double.
Yeah man. You know the body's go big up yourself, I can't man. You hear that?
Problem again to bomb clot. And where this higher?
Bad in there, they are even brother.
Yeah, not Tyson. I did.
Fully over there man.
I know a beating I go on now. Time police come say you know look fair bro.
Follow you yeah?
Yeah bro.
That means say the boy dog blood.
You see me?
I'm fast him same deal with the dog. I see the thing go still, you see me? I fix that man.
Yeah bro, all the sister come get a link to you know.
Yeah, how really I go on? Something I go on you know?
You see me bro?
Drama dog. Yo, what go on here your girl Pash brother?
Well, be advised brother, she come paint me and tell me say me not left bro because she find a man.
Who is this man?
One name Speng Shell.
Dog, you know say Speng Shell come circle me to dog. I tell me say Bob get kidnapped dog.
Yeah.
But then who now kidnap Bob's dog good. Bro, why am I going to me now? But what you know? I don't really care. See me? Anything or anything. See? Hello. Come here.
Hold the money, man. Where you want? Big man, where you find me at by the way?
Hello. You don't know to me that special man. Me know everybody business.
Well, me know why you're in my business.
I come to give you a warning. Me say one bag of problem. And I try to get you out of the bag.
Keep your vision them to yourself.
When fire down must still them think a cool breeze. Problem again, you know?
Roger Tosh, new beginning. Yeah. Look at my shirt, dirty two pants, not even new shoes. Hot stepper, we are like hot pepper. You're trying a little hustling, be careful how you're juggling. And don't let them fool.
Stop where you come irritate my spirit. Step I want.
Where say Pebbles? The day I know. Where they warm?
Yeah, me there warm.
Then I send my son come check in, cause pay problem, a big things are going on.
Alright, no problem.
You know, say Dog Blood send him police friend and go to my son yard. After me talk to Dog Blood.
Dog blood again?
Yeah, me I send my son come my yard. Me and him work together. We I get rid of Dog Blood permanently.
Alright, anything for you, you know, you don't know the badness go down.
Alright, baby.
Yo! Hello!
Now police or Tyson.
Nobody live here by that name.
I don't believe it.
Excuse me? I said there's no one here who lives by that name.
Alright man, I pick up for you man. Alright.
Hello?
Babes, I was heading out just now and a policeman just stopped me asking about you. What's going on?
Policeman asked about me.
Yeah, and it sounds very serious.
Oh, I'm still black and brown.
A black short guy.
Come like say the same Dog Blood thing in the style. Be a problem. No yourself still, I got this, alright?
Alright, I'm heading out now, so I'll call you later.
Alright.
Yeah.
Send that boy a voice note. Yo, Tyson, me here are going, you know. Where you fi meet up?
Money, come to you. You send me go kidnap the girl and then you let her. What kind of style that?
I had to let her go, girl.
Why?
Because someone came along.
Who?
Aunt Radical daughter.
So she did hear when me a plan?
Yes, girl, she did.
So what got happen when Bob tell the people them say a we kidnap her? You want to put me in a problem? You want me to lose my job, girl?
So Pebbles, all of a sudden you become this soft person. So what happened to all that tough talk?
Money, can I understand, you know? I don't want to be implicated in this. It's not about the tough talk, you know. I just don't want to lose my job.
What the hell are you talking about? Aren't you and Steph involved?
Take time talk. You want the whole neighborhood for hear?
Girl, there's just too much on my mind. From I meet this guy Tyson, there's just so much drama.
So what you plan for them?
I'm still gonna stay with him.
Yes, love man like dog. You know you really turn out to Yamade, my friend? Big Yamade. How much money you want 2 mango?
Baby! I'm a foolish man, this is a Tyson.
Oh, Tyson, come in now.
Come here, go check. Mama Pebbles.
Wagwan, one of that one.
There you man.
They are pick up 2 mango.
You know what my father said me come link you.
Where my dear?
Man say me have a mission man. Rob out somebody man.
Yeah,
Boy
what
dog
are
blood. Boy dog blood send. No police come kill me.
Where is it? We're going to start with that.
Remember bad Indian?
Yeah, I remember I'm from around this one.
It is pretty, you know,
Eh? Like I like everything, man. I get in a trouble, yes. Too what for angry man, believe.
Hungry, any kind of fire, man.
You sure about that one there?
If you tell you.
I want to better and think of Jerry Springer. They can love making and him something. You have to tell me, big man thing. See me. I move for that team and do the party. You want to talk to one? My left foot make you go and talk. See? But there. We are going to work on this.
You know you come just like your father.
Mine, you know, mine. Even before I get shot, you know, mine.
Boy, Pebbles, you know you're a police now, I'm a gangster, you know. But I tell you, I'm an artist, sing a different type of song for you.
So what kind of song your art can I sing for me?
Boo bop 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 bop.
You're so funny. I'm gonna talk to bad man now. But I like where you plot them tall and nice.
Baby, just give me a number, man. Me if you live up in your thing, right? You know?
Alright, you can put your number on my phone. But don't waste my time.
So, baby, give me a hug off your body, I'm not assault you, you know.
Alright.
Enough bad prayer, me still there same way. Them say me curse, but me still there and I gain weight. 45 pound my belly keep the place safe. Patiently me I work on the payday. Used to wear the one boot without shame face. Mama ball and she pray for the chain. Jesus dead and gone, me not have the same fate. Can't make them spread me out like me and nails.
Yeah, spend shit. Yo! How are you, bro?
Just see boy body in there now like you know that. Yeah, that just walk past like a brother.
You can fool them, man.
Yes, no.
No, man, you can fool them, man. See them a gangster about them girls around the mid. Look like boy, see me. Boy, them shot me star. Oh, clot.
Warm to you. Body down, warm to you.
Boy, them shot me, man.
Jano. So me I'm telling you that.
Not done, you know.
Bumbo clot,
Done, you know, fire. I tell you, not done.
Wanna make peace rain, no, man. Bumbo clot, make it rain.
It can't rain. Cause boy, them shot me.
Well, it took a fall then.
Yeah.
It took a fall to Bumbo.
Hard. Tyson! Tyson!
Yo, what want to hear about that one?
Boy, Spring Shell shoot me up, dog.
Peng Shell shoot you up.
Yeah, dog.
Peng Shell shoot you up.
I tell you, bro.
You didn't just come link me a while ago.
I'm pay to one. No.
Oh, let me see. I'll gauge that, brother. Yeah, yo. Alright, hold on. See with it. Yo. You want to take me up and go about them things, dog. What is going on now? A rifle business, you know.
Yeah, man.
See? We are going to circle spring chill.
No.
Lift up, ready? What's the bleach from that boy and that?
Tell them, man. You need to burn them skin, bro.
Bro, just tell them what I want you. Yo, look like say. That boy no come home tonight, dog. So yeah, the boy swing shell down.
Yeah, man, I need that, man. Shut up, you see.
Come buckle, man. What fast like a gunshot in the youth?
Bumbuckler. The boy they nearly kill me. Boy Tyson. Yeah, darkness now, you know. War is on.
Sister, you deal with?
I'm fine, you know.
Sister Pinky, big up yourself, man.
I've been looking for you for so long.
You look for me? Bridget tell me see you come over here, but what the pajama? I'm couldn't reach out here.
So I have something to tell you.
Hold on, I want a big something, my God.
It's my iPad.
I hope someone something there anyway. There's something I get to. Yeah, it was nice.
Well, I have something to tell you.
How about really going on?
About your girlfriend.
Money?
So I heard her talking about how she and I don't know that girl name is plotting against a female named Barbs.
Barbs.
Yeah. So after that, I went and saw what they were doing, and I realized that Money kidnapped Barbs.
Money kidnap Barbs? My sister, I be a war going down to Barbs missing, you know. But just go shoot at Barbs, brother, you know.
Really?
Father God! Monica, mad woman. What is this, man? What kind of job? You better come tell me, my sister, you have to go live for that case because I pay that. And your mother bring you come here to take taxi?
I came here by myself.
I mean, you have to go home though.
I really need to leave from right
Thanks for
now.
information.
Can't take the contention.
Alright. Barbs! Want the money, man? Jesus Christ!
Babs, I can't really believe that Manny do this. I never know should I take this so far.
Right, I'm traumatized. I'm depressed. The girl ain't tie me up, you know.
I'm going to teach Monica a lesson, you know. I'm not going to kill her or anything. I'm going to teach her a lesson.
Teach her a lesson. Or teach them what pluck out.
Pluck them have to pluck out, yes?
Monique.
Hey, hi Tyson.
Hi, baby. Oh, I'm here something to them I like it, you know. You know me rate you down.
I know.
Yeah, I never meet a girl like you, man. But me say kidnap Barbs. What you do that?
What do you mean by why I kidnap her? You forget what you did to me?
You can't do that, Monique. I be a problem, you know. I be a gunshot in my yard.
What?
Right now, me and Barbs brother war because the man think me kidnapping sister, you know.
So Mr. Tyson, you're telling me that you're picking up for your bitch?
Pick up? Monique, I'm not pick up for Barbs, alright?
Tyson, you don't love me?
Babes, yeah, of course I love you.
You sure?
Babes, watch you know. Let me say to you, leave me just come on the ends, man, and we'll talk.
Whatever you say.
Leave me, right now you have me a fight. Be a man, you know. You know, somebody good, good, you know. Alright, see you in a few.
Yeah, later.
Thanks, woman. I notice you are very frequent in this community. It don't suit you at all. It seems like you are going to have to go back uptown.
Then who should you be?
I kind. She's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. But problem again, you know. Problem.
Babs, You see me? Me have the power to make people disappear. I mean, know them a play with me now. And them know the power me have. See Monique now. She play with fire. And she and others and them have it burn. I'm going to show them the other side of me. And how powerful me radical is.
Go and talk about power. You see, anywhere me see a niece, me a beat out her bumbo. Radical. You know, it's a Tyson and my brother. You mean a big watch you all of this?
We can take care of that and settle that.
Monique, you know man, I understand you. See, what kind of argument this? Look, this tell me say you kidnap Barbs. You're your friend. What kind of, how are you really going, Monique?
Yes, I did. And what? When you had to defend yourself, I had your back.
No man, nobody about this man. The Barbs wrong question about you can't go and kidnap nobody, Monique. Them lifestyle and your lifestyle.
What do you mean this is not my lifestyle?
No.
I'm defending myself.
Calm down, man. You know where you're right now? A big war in the community right now, you know. Right now, me and Barb's brother, a big gunshot we are bust up for one of them right now, you know. Just because you make a CD play there, you know.
What?
No, you never know. Understand, man, you see me? Every choice you make, man, every decision have consequences, you see me? Get me I say? A big darkness right now in the community. See me right now, matter of fact, I live over the community, you know. I have to go around there right now, because I'm going to shoot the policeman and the police them after me and them circle me. Back and forth. The problem is. See me? My father called, I right now I see me for go on a small island. See me? You need to understand where I put me to right now. When you can't make them irrational decisions there.
Well, I wasn't thinking straight then.
No, man, I love you still, no. I love you, but money get to behave, man. I don't have them bad man ways in there.
No, you do.
Okay, you better behave yourself here. I mean, pick up where you can manage. Yeah, man, if you behave yourself, money, man. You hear that?
I'm mean and radical.
Do the right thing, man.
Hello?
Monique,
Hi, Aunt Radical.
how are you there?
I'm at Tyson's house.
Alright, may I need to link up, you know, because we have some important thing that we need to talk about.
Okay. Alright.
Alright. Babs, watch this. Me, I'm gonna make you tell Monique. And you're gonna give her some raw slick, you know. You see?
And that more I hear. I know you talk my language.
It a gonna happen.
Aunty Radical. Aunty Radical I call her for.
She said she wanted to see me about something.
I'm not trust the auntie, you know. I'm gonna think if you too trust the auntie now, you hear that?
Okay.
You're not gonna go and stay in our house, man. You see me? And you have to go run the block till you come back to this. So go and stay in our house. But watch out, man. You're not going to Aunty Radical good. The auntie are devil, yeah? Auntie are devil.
Alright.
Go in a bed, man. And behave yourself. Fat ass. Oi there. A long time I don't see you now. Seems like you have been through the storm. Seems like you have been through the rain. Seems like you have been through the hurricane.
Chabamba clock, man.
Trouble again, you know. Bob's in a trouble again, you know.
Babs! Oh,
Yeah,
God.
bro. What, bro?
Yeah, man.
There you go.
Welcome, my sister.
You say I want to go tough foot girl from uptown kidnap my brother?
And girl.
Yeah.
And girl, you ain't Tyson kidnap you?
No, sir.
With the
Tyson. And we are drink my Tyson.
With the bumbo clad. Yo, man, Tyson them at war over here, you know. Come on, a war, man, them a war. Me shoot up bad Indian. And Tyson come fire shot off from me one night.
What the clock Ross said to me?
Sister, a big war a go on.
Anyway, my brother, me have to borrow a gun, come on. Half to kill a girl, you know. You think me I take it from?
Nah, man, me deal with it, man. Me deal with it, sister.
Deal with what? I'm here to deal with my own problem.
Me say me deal with it, sister.
Bombs!
No, man. Look at them set everybody from my yard. Who that, man?
I mean Stepper.
Stepper. Show. yard.
Calm down your little self, man. A serious business me come about, you know.
Well, me I come out of one serious situation. Me not know with seriousness right now.
Me hear some little niece money kidnap you, and I come play with you for you done it, you know. Remember me a commissioner police, you know.
I don't care if you're commissioner police, commissioner JDF, commissioner United States, or water commission, just come out of me yard.
Why radical? Father raised a meet me and I said to come talk to you. Yeah. Boy, but I like you deal with me still, you know. Be a thing that you have for me too much time. See me? Boy, we have a warm time. What do you think?
Well, yes, you know, but sometimes you just have to do what you have to do. You just
Father.
do what you have to do.
Father, so we need to have a choice. See? You don't know you can't stop me and money though. It's about to see that. That's not an issue for you. I don't know where is a powerful man. Radical. Me I stand we never see it. Me I stand we never experience it. See me? Could be a son, you know. But me a wicked boy. That's why you see me I try to change my ways. But I deserve a second chance. Sorry for coming in your house with big gun and them things. They never mean it to see me, but you see a man come kill me, I'm just react. Apologies, man. I want me for the pan good to him. I'm father talking about this. Really, hold the question, man. What you say?
So you expect, you just want me to just put this aside and move on there.
So you send a man to come kill me. I come back to kill you and nothing now we just call it a day because you don't want to continue, bag of bloodshed. People why I go on my yard now and I'm tired of that, you know. Right now, my partner for left Jamaican, you know. See me because police want to kill me, gunman want to kill me. I'm tired.
Alright, thanks.
See me, more call it a truth and more see me sorry, I'm a big man.
I'm going to make that one as well, but we still have something to do and we're doing this.
So I can threaten me, see me. What are you radical? You know what I say? You want a truth, I know. I sound like you're sorry now. Say you have a right to say man to come kill me? Just tell me.
It's a game, you know. You have to remember the game.
Radical, big up yourself, but I'm not playing a game with you, you see me? About this thing there, you know. I mean, I try to come do the right thing. You see me? Say either or either. I tell you that. Big up yourself.
Now you're cool still.
Oh. Big up yourself one day, man.
Alright, cool.
See me?
Alright.
Love that me. Yeah, old gangster and radical, they can't trick me. Must be mad. A second place ago. Just I get a youth with big dream, big dream, big dream, big dream. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, something for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in, not even think to rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss your step. Me never box from a fighter, they can bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket it. I go for my one, coming up down for poor. Just a ride on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock your door. And the whole place I shape, I drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not talk money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold your work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Now a champagne a bust like a coaster. Roughest life man grow like a soldier. I'm out of pressure when them put on my shoulder. Man never know real supporter. Bad luck, what's a down obia. Real governor in a pen, ask Donia. Set man a set it, me no joker. Remember people a fraud, call mocha. Like a ball, me control me emotion. Mind for my money run a program. No, in my face too much door slam, make it out. Them prison trap could no hold man. I used to one pair of shoes. Then I we used to share one plate of food. That's why man have to win, me can't lose. That's why man have to win, me get me. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater.
No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problems, only work it out. Fuck shame, man, have to put mama house upstairs. That's why man have to run. That's why man have to run. Man, what the rugged road, man, you know. We don't have no time.